guys, I'm gonna sing It Will Rain by Bruno Mars, and I hope you like it. This is just for fun, but if you like it, I can make a cover for you guys. Okay, so here we go. If you ever leave me, baby, please come open up my door, 'cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor, ooh, to keep it all the sacrifices I'm making. That's all. I'm sorry because I don't come with another lyrics, but I can sing the chorus for you. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. You walk away, everything's rain, 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 rain. So that's all, guys. I hope you like it. If you want me to do a cover for you, and if you want me to do a fan sign, just tweet me or message me on Facebook. Just type on Facebook. Okay, first on Facebook you have to type sarahpressa@rocketmail.com, or just tweet me on my Twitter, and in my Twitter account, of course, duh. Just type Sarah Hablerspool and send me a message there, and